So here's what we did on our 19th wedding anniversary weekend in Denver. My husband planned this whole elaborate weekend. Our first stop was the Butterfly Pavilion, and that was seriously magical. You just walk around and there's all these butterflies and they land on you as you're walking. It is seriously a magical experience. Then we went to the Magnolia, which was our hotel in downtown Denver, and it was really pretty. It was all decorated for the holidays. And then my husband and I walked to a restaurant called The Watercourse. This is an all vegan restaurant. We had this gorgeous pretzel with vegan beer cheese, and then I had this sage gnocchi in sweet potato puree with vegan parmesan and kale. My husband had this fried cauliflower, but guys, these gnocchi were seriously the best gnocchi I've ever had in my life. Then the next morning we went to a restaurant called the Corner Bee. It's vegetarian, but they have tons of vegan options. They had all of these awesome vegan pastries, and we decided to sit in this sunny window right here. It was nice and warm, and we drank our fresh juice that was pressed this morning. So I had these shredded carrots on these yummy greens with some chickpea eggs and some avocado toast. My husband had this vegan breakfast sandwich, which was really, really good. And we enjoyed our breakfast to the absolute fullest.
And can we just take a moment to really appreciate this carrot wallpaper? These are ladies' legs. Just chef's kiss.
So then we got some hot tea and headed over to the German Christmas market downtown. And guys, this is so fun. It's definitely not plant-based or vegan, so eat before you go. But there's basically a ton of these vendors that sell their handmade crafts. It was really, really cute. Look at all of these Christmas ornaments. And then check out these nesting dolls. They were so pretty. So then we thought seriously about ice skating, but then we decided it was too crowded. So instead we went back to our hotel room and started getting ready for our official anniversary dinner. Guys, we've been married 19 years. It's crazy how fast time goes by. So I threw on my jacket and my hat, and we decided to walk to dinner and enjoy all of the lights, and it was cold, and it was probably like a 10 or 15 minute walk. So then we got to Bao, which is where my husband made reservations, and it's this really cool Asian restaurant. It is not a vegan restaurant, but they made vegetable dishes for us that were vegan. So this is the shiitake bok choy dish. It was really good. My husband and I share a love for mushrooms. Then we had the vegetable stir fry, which was also insanely delicious. So then after that, we decided to walk around a little bit more and take in the lights from downtown. And then we went back over to Watercourse from the other night to have some vegan funfetti cake. And then my husband thought it would be fun to rent a one-person electric scooter for us to ride, and it was actually pretty fun. And that is it, guys. That is how we spent our anniversary. We basically just marathon ate for the entire weekend, and it was a ton of fun. So I know these last few videos have been short, but I wanted to upload for you guys the videos that I put on my other social media platforms for those of you that are not on TikTok or Instagram, because I think it's fun for you guys to still be able to see everything that I'm posting and doing in between the long form videos that I post here on YouTube. So I would put the videos up for you as shorts, except YouTube is only allowing 60-second shorts, and the videos that I make for Instagram and TikTok are between 1.5 and 3 minutes long. So I feel like YouTube just needs to get with it. So if I do 60-second reels for any of the other platforms, I of course put them up for you guys here as shorts, but otherwise I'm just going to continue to post these shorter videos for you guys as I make them. So as always, I love you guys. Make sure to love yourself and spread that love to somebody else. I'll see you next time.